Nice to meet you after such a long time. It's been almost 2 months since I last uploaded a video, and here I am. Today we're going to talk about the 1969 moon landing, which is actually a very controversial topic because some people say that it was true, and some people say that it was a fake landing and it was just pictures. So this video is actually going to be a virtual debate in which I'm going to play videos of a person in favor of the statement that the 1969 moon landing was fake, and I'm going to put forward my points against his claim because I am in favor of the 1969 moon landing, and I consider it to be true, and it was true according to me. You're gonna hear him and hear me, and then it's up to you. So I won't be looking directly here into my camera. I'll be looking there. There's my laptop, and there I'll play those videos, so don't consider me a mad person for that.
Here proves just the opposite. That with a single light source with surface the same reflectivity as the moon, our astronaut is clearly visible, busting that thing.
Okay, so this is a long video. It was around 4 minutes, but I'm gonna put it short in this video. This person is actually trying to convince me that it was fake. This person sets up an entire setup to prove that the 1969 moon landing was fake. But in the words of Neil deGrasse Tyson, and I'm just quoting him here, that it would be easier for us to really go on the moon than pretending to go on the moon from the earth and proving the world wrong in every possible conference. Okay, come on, you, by saying that it was fake, are actually putting in the dirt all those efforts which the organization itself and all the astronauts put in order to make that mission successful. So there was a story that before going to the moon mission in 1969, all the astronauts of that mission, of that crew, signed many papers. They signed it as autographs for different people, which would be delivered if they died there, because it was the first time that people were going outside Earth.
When suggesting the moon landing was filmed on a movie set, people point to the moment Buzz Aldrin steps off the lander into a dark shadow, but stays fully lit. If the sun is the only light source, how is this possible?
Okay, so giving it a shot, the Earth's surface is not very reflective, you see. There are many layers on the top of the Earth's surface, and before reaching the Earth's surface you have to cross many layers in order to reach it, so we are overprotected. But it's not the case with the moon. The sun's rays can actually directly strike the surface, and thus the lunar soil or the lunar surface is very reflective. That's why his shadow was visible in that way.
Who lived in Atlanta, and she said, well, I know that these guys didn't go to the moon because my television set can't get the television stations from New York. How on earth can they get, Earth literally, how on earth can they get broadcast from the moon?
Okay, so this was one more claim that people think of. So you are able to see all those videos and all those live broadcasts from ISS, and you are not expecting to see a broadcast from the moon, right? I see it. Okay, keeping jokes aside, even light takes time to travel. Signal takes a little more or a lot more than light, but it still comes back. So for example, if a live stream started to broadcast on the moon 7 a.m. in the morning, maybe you're able to see it at 9:30 a.m. in your respective time zone. It's taking 2.5 hours for that thing. I'm just giving an example. I'm not stating a fact here that it takes 2.5 hours for light or any other signal to reach from there to here. But it is still taking 2.5 hours for that signal to reach to us or here on the Earth. So that's actually a futile claim that how on earth am I able to see the broadcast if I'm not able to see a broadcast from New York to Atlantis, go by a network. Okay, so this was all about it. I did not include any videos, rather I included all those voice audios from those videos because of some copyright issues. You can feel all that tension in that room. you're just putting into dirt each and everything, each and every tension that I put in years in that thing in reaching the moon, and things are getting disrupted. Like, I might have sounded rude somewhere. I'm sorry for that. Some people also say that the picture of black hole, which was taken by Hubble, was fake. Come on. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Take care. I'll be coming soon, and maybe I'll be live.